everybody, my name is Jennifer Sabin. I'm the simulation coordinator at Herzing University, Kenosha campus. Today's video is to show you how to properly wash your hands and to help decrease the spread of COVID-19. You'll see on here my hands that show the germs after putting on a lotion that simulates germs. So you'll see all of the cracks and crevices where those germs gather. We're going to wash our hands so that we can get rid of those germs and see how we did afterwards. So if you look at my hand here under the black light, where it lights up with the white spots, those are all the germs that get stuck on your hand. So you can see the fingernails themselves are the big ones where all those germs collect. So we're going to show you how to properly wash your hands to get rid of all those germs and help decrease the spread of COVID-19. Stay tuned for hand washing. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to get our hands wet. For the sake of the video, I'm turning the water off just for the audio so you don't hear the water running the whole time. We're going to get some soap on our hands and we're going to start washing. When you wash your hands, you want to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. So you could sing Happy Birthday twice. You could sing Baby Shark. I have a toddler, so I'm very familiar with Baby Shark. It's on all of the time, all different versions. So if you sing Baby Shark, you can get to Daddy Shark. So Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, and that should be more than enough time for you to wash your hands. Otherwise, Happy Birthday twice, or at least 20 seconds. So what I did is I washed my fingernails because that's where a lot of that bacteria harvests, as we saw in the first portion of the video. So you just go over your fingernails, wash it underneath, especially if you have longer nails, and then just make sure you're scrubbing your hands, getting your thumb really well. A lot of people forget about the thumb and this portion of the hand, and getting in between those fingers too really well. And then we rinse. Turn your water off with either a paper towel, use your elbow, but don't use your brand new, clean, freshly washed hands to touch that dirty handle to turn the water off. So that's washing your hands. Let's go see how we did. Now that we've washed our hands, let's take a look and see how we did. So when you shine the light, you can see that there's still a little bit of that white germy area around the cuticles. So that's why we want to make sure that we're getting those fingernails really good and really clean, because that's where that bacteria is going to harvest. If we flip our hand over, looks pretty good. I have really dry hands, so that could be part of why there's still some stuff on there too. But yeah, pretty good job that we did. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Herzing University. Otherwise, you all have a great day and stay safe.